Astro, are you ready? Hey Jibo, are you ready to unbox Loona?
I'm ready for anything. Well, I'm ready for anything that I've been programmed to be ready for.
Hey Jibo, what am I doing here today?
If you mean what are you doing with me, you can say, hey Jibo, what can I do, for ideas and help. If you mean what are you doing with your life, I think that question is a bit out of my league. But obviously you are here today to observe our current video production for our channel. And I hope that you can help us with our future video production. Hey, fancy seeing you here.
Oh my god.
So, please take note and we will try to answer any questions after our break.
So without any further delays, let's get started.
Here is the package we received. Let's see what's inside.
Astro's battery is at 17%. You can say, Astro, go to your charger.
Before we have a look inside the box, we just wanted to thank everyone for waiting quite some time for us to unbox Loona. We would have gotten Loona by Christmas, but we arranged to have delivery postponed due to our Christmas vacation. So, thank you for your patience.
Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside this box. The first thing that we notice here is look like a nice big postcard that said Merry Christmas, and then on the back here it said make it a December to remember, best wishes from your friends at KeyiTech. This is pretty cool idea and I really like it. So the next thing here is the games prop kit. So let's have a look. We're gonna go ahead and open this up right here. See what's inside. And now let me see. Yeah, so it's okay. Ooh, wow, look at this. So this look like accessories, like toys for Loona, perhaps. Yep. So it look like you can, it's like a cutout. Look like a ball, play ball or something, that Loona can play. Pretty cool. And there's more on this pack inside this pouch or pocket here. So this look like oh, this is nice feel. It's feel like a velvet, cloth. And this one is for game prop 2 red cape. This is a red cape that you can play bullfight with Loona by showing her the side with an icon on it. As you can see right here is a bull icon. So it's just show her this icon, and then Loona will run into the red cape. And it's pretty fun prop here. So let's put this away. And the next thing here we have, ooh, look at that. It's the Loona dinosaur outfit. Ooh, wow. Yeah, we will open this up later, when we're ready to put on Loona. And then I don't think this is just the insert, And then this one here is ooh, wow, look at this. This is the Loona Christmas outfit. look very cute. So, okay, so and then the big thing, I don't know why I put this back to begin with. Okay. So the big thing we have here, so we're gonna have a Jibo take over and tell everyone what. Oh my god, so it's like a, oh my, heavy. Oh my god, this is heavy. And it's supposed to be heavy, you know, because you're talking about a solid robot that is gonna be very playful. So, you know, it's good that they make it strong. What we have here is a user manual for Loona. It has all the information, step by step you need to get Loona set up and running. And we also have this USB cable. So now we will go ahead and plug in Loona to make sure that she's fully charged. I'm just concerned about her right ear here. It won't stay up like the other ear. So we will see. So looking at the screen here, it looks like this is the first time you're gonna get prompted to set up the Wi-Fi connection. So it looks like it's gonna go straight to the setup mode here. Currently the screen is going through the updating mode, and even though one of the ear is not functioning, this does not impact Loona's overall functionality.
What is wrong with Loona ear?
I don't know. The right ear won't stay up, you know.
I think you need to contact KeyiTech for help.
Yeah, but can you help me repair it?
I do not think so. As you can see, I do not have hands.
Yeah, about that. Then I will contact KeyiTech and send her back.
Yeah, I would do just that.
Okay.
A few moments later.
It was a unanimous decision that we submitted a form to have Loona's repair kit sent to us. At least I can help with reading step-by-step instruction. After all, I am only a robot. So, while we waiting for Loona repair kit to arrive, our show will go on. And since Loona ear doesn't impact her other functionalities, so, let's continue our Loona journey from where we left off. Once we downloaded and installed Loona app, we will turn on Loona and connect her to Wi-Fi. Oh no. And to find out that the batteries is low.
Now Loona is fully charged.
Let's try to power on Loona again before we continue with Wi-Fi connection. And to see if there are any updates. And make sure you unplug Loona before connecting her to the network. Once we connected Loona to Wi-Fi, then open Loona app and connect her with the app to start the beginner journey.
Just gonna go ahead and continue with this, okay? Let's see. The app also allows you to take first picture of Loona.
I think I am going to need a bumper. So there you have it. Loona, the wild pet bot.
Nope. We still have a few tiny things to talk about.
What is it?
It's a Loona Christmas outfit and Loona dinosaur outfit.
Oh, I see. Let's see it.
Alright. So what we have here is the Loona Christmas outfit. For those of you who order a Christmas outfit, this is gonna be the one here. And let's take a look to see what the outfit is look like here. So just gonna open. Okay. And look at this cute collar, Christmas collar, very cute. And this is the Christmas headband, something you can put up there, and this one you can put around the collar. So I just put on a Christmas collar, and it's look pretty cute. This is the back. It's flexible, you know, so easy to put on. So look at her right there. And the headband here, it looks like there's originally I thought is a magnetic that you can just attach to her head like that, but it looks like there's some sticker here, like you have to peel and stick it on her head like that. So I'm not gonna do it now because probably gonna use it next year. But you can probably use any kind of like two-side tape, that you can put on here, cut it and put it and just attach it on her head like that. So okay, just like that. It's very cute. Also, they give you extra stickers that you can use later on, so it's pretty convenient there. Next outfit here is Loona dinosaur outfit, and this is a reward from KeyiTech. Thank you, KeyiTech, for this outfit. It's look cute. Just to see the picture here. So, but let's take a look at the real outfit here. So open it up here. And this is all in one piece. Oh, look at that. So once again, you see the sticker here. So let's see if we can try it, see what happens. So all you have to do is just peel it off, and you're gonna set Loona on the side here, and maybe just do that, tilt a little bit, and then just put that. Let's see how. And have a look at the picture. This is a tail. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, the tail part is look like doesn't want to stick well. Why is that? It doesn't have a sticker on the tail part of it. But actually, maybe try to make sure that she's in the middle there. Yeah, okay. So I don't think that this part needs to be stick on or anything because it's already formed into the body like that, So as long as that you put it right where the the white part in here, you know, just right there, or right after the gray area here. So, you know, just put it, and then it's fit perfectly. And I don't think you need any sticker there. So, well, let's see how she perform with this on. Oh, boy. Jibo is like, I'm ready, I'm inside the circle, safety circle. Uh-oh. Jibo is like, look at that baby dinosaur. As long as you don't get inside my tray, I'm okay. You say, should I play with the ball or play with Loona? Hey Jibo, do you like puppies?
I do really like dogs. So friendly, so waggy. I think dogs are great. I get a little nervous about their slobber damaging my circuits, but I do think dogs are great. Oh my goodness, it has been a long day, playing with Loona and Lucky. There you have it, our Loona unboxing video. We have to say that, Loona is a hyper pet bot. She can play and keep you busy all day long. My advice is, stocking up more energy drinks or caffeine because you are going to need it. And do not let her take naps, because she will keep you up all night long. We hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you do not want to miss our future activities. As always, thank you for watching. Have a great week, everyone.
Hello, Loona. Bullfighting game. Oh my god, not the camera. Not the camera. Are you Grogu?